Hi guys, welcome to Ray Element. So today we're going to make something very simple, grilled vegetables. We are beginners after all. So let's get into it. Let's start with what we need. Vegetables, I've got here pumpkin, butternut, robot peppers. I've also got red onion. I've also got salt, pepper if you will, Italian herbs, let's olive oil, as well as top class mix. You can also use aromat. I've also got my baking tray as well as foil. No particular reason for the foil, I'm just very lazy and it's always easier to clean your baking tray if you use foil as a base. Alright, so we start by spicing our vegetables. Just make sure all your veg is well spiced. So I'd say a tablespoon of every single spice that you have. You can of course add extra things like chili flakes if you are that kind of person. So when it comes to this video, I'm very it's not a sponsored video or anything. I just really wanted to showcase this olive oil that I recently discovered. It's a very good olive oil, and I'm sure most of you will be happy to know that it is black owned by black women, manufactured by black women. So that's always the way to go. I always love collaborating or supporting black brands. If you do need to order, I will leave their number down below. But back to our video, you spice your vegetables, lay them on your baking tray and add your olive oil. Once you're done with that, you pop them in the oven for I'd say about 30 minutes, but you should feel them and you'll know when they are ready. They'll be nice and soft, and voila, no effort, just chop, spice, pop in the oven. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you again on our next video. Bye.